I loved the idea of the original Honda Element legs kit. What a cool idea to use an existing part of your car and make it multi-purpose for camping or tailgating. The only trouble is, it's virtually impossible to find them. So I created my own. The adapters are slightly different from the original accessory. The OEM discontinued legs are not compatible. The new adapters I am selling are made with either ABS plastic or carbon fiber infused nylon for extra durability. They connect to a set of legs that are sold almost everywhere. I'm only selling the adapters and the hardware needed to install them. The setup is simple. Just get into the back of your Element, remove and flip over the spare tire access cover. On the underside of the cover, the new adapters connect where the original accessories mounted. The table legs that you will source yourself will connect just by lining up and press fitting to the new adapters. The table secures with a friction fit. The legs stay connected even when they are held upside down. When pulled from a single leg, they will release. Even unnecessary shaking will not release the legs from the table. For easier cleanup, the table can be leaned over and rinsed off. It won't fall apart. The legs I'm using come from a widely available and inexpensive Coleman camping table. They are durable, lightweight, and steel. I'm told they operate smoother than the original legs. Packing up is just as simple. Flip the table over on the back of the tailgate. Hold the bottom of the table down while gently pulling one leg at a time. Collapse your folding legs and pack them away. The new mounts won't interfere with the fitment of the spare cover. It closes flush.